normal lesson from today. So now tell me from which topic I should start.
Any.
Okay.
I don't know the topics yet because my school hasn't started, so I don't know any topics that will be.
Okay, no problem. So I will start from the beginning and slowly I will take you until your school start. I will give you some knowledge one by one every topic, and until your school will start, you will learn more than half of the syllabus.
Okay.
Later on, whatever required in your school, you will be perfectly fine and you will perform well. After linear, quadratic equation. What is the date today? 10 or 11?
10.
10, 8 and 2020. Okay, so in the quadratic equation, we learned the power is 2. Highest power is 2. If the highest power is 2 means you can write the equation x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. If I say equal to 0 means this is equation. This equal to sign shows that this is equation. So quadratic, why we call it quadratic? Because highest power is 2. If the highest power is 2, this is called quadratic equation. If some power is like that, x plus 4 equal to 10, like that, or 0, this is called linear equation. Linear mean line. Quadratic mean graph, like this or this. The equation curve of this line will be like showing like this or this. When if you draw the graph on the x-axis and y-axis, if you take some values of x and you receive against those values some values of y, and if you draw the quadratic form graph will form like this, and this depend upon this value whatever is written over here. If here a number is positive, the graph will be like this. If here a number is negative, for example, like this 2x squared plus 3x plus 4, so the graph will be like this, cup down or cup up, like that. So this is the reason how we can check our quadratic equation type. And now the next thing is how to solve the quadratic equation and why we solve the quadratic equation. The first thing is that why we solve the quadratic equation. Whenever they say that solve the quadratic equation, there are some prerequisites required in order to solve. So there are 2-3 ways to solve this equation, 1, 2 and 3. The first is factorized form, factorization. The second thing is you can use the quadratic formula. And the third thing is you can use the completing the square method. Completing a square method. These 3 things we use in order to solve these quadratic equation, right? Whenever you need to write, I will say you just write this one. Otherwise, you can skip the writing, right? Because if I am explaining you, it's better you concentrate. Because I record the lecture. I always record the lecture and I upload or send to students, so that if you forget any time, you can get the benefit. We are talking about the factorization. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, if suppose I factorize this one, so if I factorize this, or if I take another example, an easy example, and that is factorizable, factorable, we can factorize that equation. So x square, suppose if I say 3x and plus 4, if I say this one, and this is, suppose this one is negative, this is negative. So how to factorize anything? First we multiply this number with whatever the number is written over here. If no number is written over here, it's mean 1. So 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are 4. If I factorize this one, 4 into 1. If I multiply, it should come this product of this one. If I add and subtract, it should come this one. So if you see that 4 and 1 gives you 3. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 and 1 gives you 3. So this should be also negative. Okay, so what number I should take? Minus 4 plus 1. If I take minus 4 plus 1, it's give you minus 3. So it's very important how to balance the sign. So I can break this middle term as the first term and last term will be same. You will write first and last term same, and the middle term you will break. So I can write here this one here minus 4x and plus x. So if I write minus 4x plus x, it's become minus 3x. You agree?
Yes.
Yes. Now from first to what you can take common from first to? Anything which is common from first to?
X.
Yes, x. Very good. So if I take x as a common, over here only x is remaining because 1x I took common, so 1x is remaining. And here, if I take x is common from the second term, what is remaining?
4.
X has been wonderful. You understand? And from here, these two. From these two, nothing is common. You can see nothing is common. If nothing is common, you will write plus 1. Means 1. 1 makes no impact and no decrease or increase. If you multiply 1 by anything, it remains same. So this thing remains same. You know, this bracket and this bracket should come same. If this bracket and this bracket same and signs are same and terms are same, means you are successfully done your factorization. Now I will consider this whole term is one term and this is another term. Now I will take again common from these two. From these two, which bracket is common? Can you tell me?
X.
Yes, x minus 4, right? So you will write x minus 4 in one bracket and the other bracket is from here is x and from here is 1. Your factorization is done. Got it? This is the thing which you have learned in grade 9. That was factorization. But why we are doing this again? Because we have to first revise the factorization and then we will apply this factorization in order to solve this equation. Now, I got the two factors, which are my factors, x minus 4 and x plus 1. If I expand this one, I will get again my question. You agree with this?
Yes.
Means this is the correct factorization of my question. Now I can write either from this, the product of these two equal to 0. So I can write either x minus 4 equal to 0. If x minus 4 equal to 0, so x equal to 4. Because if I move this one on the right side, it will be 4. So I will not write bracket. If I write only one thing, I no need to write bracket. Only write x minus 4 equal to 0. So if x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to 4. The next thing is or x plus 1 equal to 0. Any one thing is equal to 0, so product is equal to 0. So I can write either and or. So the next step is x is equal to minus 1. So my two answers are in this small squares, small rectangles. So one is this and one is this. So my two answers are, one is minus 1 and one is 4. If I submit these two answers over here, it will be balanced. Both sides will come equal to 0. So this is the solution. These two is called a solution. So I have done. The question was solve the quadratic equation by factorization. So we have solved this quadratic equation by factorization. So this is after linear equation when you come in grade 10, so you get it. So now what I will do, I will write here one question, another question, and we will try that one, or maybe you will try. And now you will, when you will participate, now you will be a little faster. Finally you will get it. What is the factorization of quadratic equation? If I say x square minus 5x and then if I write plus 6 equal to 0. So can you guide me how I should solve this quadratic equation? First step is what? Which number I have to break?
6.
Yes, 6 ones are 6, because here is 1, right? If nothing is there, so means 6 ones are 6. So I have 6. So by what number I have to select to break it to make 5? Which two number I will use that multiplication, and the addition or subtraction must be 5, but multiplication must be 6. Which two numbers I should use? Break the 6.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, you are right. 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6, but minus 2 minus 3 is 5, right? So I will take both are minus 2 minus 3. So now middle term I will write minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0, and x square remains same. Now the next step is what? Tell me.
We put the x's together.
Yes.
One bracket.
We will take x is a common, so put a bracket. So what is remaining over here? X, and over here minus 2. Next bracket should be same like this. Now we work on the next one. So see, from here you can see these are the multiple of 3, right? But I need here negative. So what I will write here, minus 3 I will write over here outside. If I put minus 3 outside, this first term will become positive because of minus I am taking outside. So inside this one become positive, and the positive will change into the negative. 3 2s are. Because if I will take out negative sign outside, I have to reverse the sign. So because in the next step, if I check it again, minus minus plus, like that. So now the things is very easy. So you can see this one and this one. Oh, can you tell me next step? I want to take x minus 2 in one bracket. Okay. Again common. If I take x minus 2 in one bracket, this is common. From here, what is remaining? From these two, x is remaining. From here, what is remaining?
3.
Yes, 3.
Negative 3.
Yeah, negative 3. So your question is done. What are the two answers now?
Negative 2 and negative 3.
Yeah, x minus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to 2. Take the reverse. And the other one is x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to, when it will move on the right side, sign will be changed. 3. So these are the two answers. Now more understanding, I think. In this question, in the first question, you understand 50%. Now you understand, I think, 85 or 90%, right?
Yeah.
Now the third question, I will, if you required 15% guidance is okay, but 85% you will do now. The next question. Now I will write and you will solve. You have WhatsApp?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you will solve, and you will immediately take a picture and send me. I will check it how you solve it, right? So I just now write one question for you. If I write x square minus 7x and minus 12 equal to 0 plus 12. Okay, try this. square minus 7x plus 12.
When we find the two numbers that would equal 12, do we have to see if it's going to add up to 7?
Add or subtract must be equal to 7 and multiplication must be equal to 12.
Okay. Okay, I'm done. I'll send you a picture.
So what's the answer?
X is 4. No, 4 and 3, I think.
Very good. 4 and 3 is absolutely right. Correct.
Okay, I'm sending it. Wait.
Okay. Let me check this if I can see. Yeah, x square, x minus 4, x minus. Oh, C is the second bracket. The second is type C. Why you write x minus 12 inside the bracket?
Oh.
Make it correct. Right there, x minus 4 in the second bracket also. In the second step.
Okay.
Right? Because when you take out minus 3 is common, so inside it is remaining x minus 4. When both the brackets same, then you can take it common again, right? Rest is okay, very nice. I told you that you will do 85%, you will do correct, and you did like that. Now the next step, next you will do 95%, you will correct. I will give you one question now. Another question. This was your classwork, and the second classwork is I am writing now. So now see, x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Now do.
Okay, I'm done. I'll send a picture. I sent the picture. You're mute. Yeah.
So now I will create something different for you, in which, yeah, now you send this x minus 4, x minus 4. So both answers are x minus x equal to 4. So this is called equal root. Now next is question number 3. First of all, I will write here, and let's see. In this, both the sign I will take negative now. X square minus, suppose if I write 5x, and if I write over here, this is 5. X square minus 5x, and if I write here 50, suppose. So now which two numbers you will take to balance these sign?
5 and 10.
So if you write 5 and 10, now try to balance the sign. Right in the middle, 10 and 5.
Okay. Do I change the signs and make them positive?
The first thing is first minus 10 plus 5 you can take, right?
Yes.
Yeah, minus 10x plus 5x. Then it will be fantastic. You got?
No.
Okay, see, x square, if I say minus 10x plus 5x minus 50 equal to 0. From first two, I will get x minus 10. And from the last two, if I take 5 is common, so x minus 10. Got it?
Yes.
Then x minus 10 is in one bracket and x plus 5 in second bracket. So x equal to 10, x equal to minus 5. These are the two answers. Like this we will do. Okay, next question. I will write here. Now you will balance the sign. Let's see how you will do. Now 100% you learn almost, except a little practice is required. So for that practice, now practice. Learning is complete, now practice. The question number 1 is x is square plus 6x minus 27. Let's see how you will perform. Okay, Maheen, you tell me which factors came in your mind for this.
3 and 9.
Yes, now you have to balance 3 and 9 with the signs. Which sign you should take positive, which sign you should take negative, like that.
think I've got the answer.
Mm-hmm.
I'll send you a picture.
Okay.
3 and -9.
Okay, 3 and -9. So let me check that picture. Okay, 3 is positive and 9 is negative. So this is your picture. Where it's gone? Okay, x minus 3. Minus 3 plus 9. So 9 if you take common positive. So no change of sign. Minus 3 plus 9. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Very nice, Maheen. You are learning well. Fantastic. Now the next thing is I'm writing here is now I will teach you some more thing. If I write here another question in which I write here first there is a number. I will start with number 2x square and plus 5x and minus 3. It is another kind of factorization in which before this you saw that with x square there was no term, but now with x square there is a number. So how you will perform this question? First of all, you will multiply this number with this. If I multiply this number with this, it will become what? 3 to the 6. Okay, so you will write 6 over here. 3 to the 6. Now I will make a factor of 6 to get this one. The process is same. So only this is the change. You will multiply first and last number to get the product. Yeah, before that it was 1. So we didn't find any difference. But now there is a difference. 3 to the 6. Now 3 to the 6. The factor is already formed, I think. 3 and 2. 5 and 2 makes 3. But 3 to the 6, but it's not make 5. So what I should do, I can do like this: 6 1s are 6. This is also a way that 6 1s are 6 means 6 minus 1 is 5. So from these two I can get this one. But now I will balance the sign. I will take 6 as a positive and 1 is a negative. 1 means only x. So 2x square plus 6x minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Because minus 6x minus x is 5x. Now from these two the steps are same. 2x is common, x plus 3, minus 1 is common, x plus 3. Because if I take minus as a common, both the sign will be changed. So according to that I get both the sign is positive. Now this and this same. So my sign will be x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. These two things comes. So my first answer is I divide x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 3. The first is very easy. The second is 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 over 2. The second answer will be like this. So are you getting me?
Yeah.
Very nice. Now this is your turn. I will write a question over here. I will not remove this one. Maybe you need help. So I'm writing one question over here and you will try. The question is 3x square minus 10x plus 8 equal to 0. This red question is with red, you will do.
In this equation that we already did, how did you get
8 3 is 24, huh? So
yeah.
you get from 24 two numbers you have to multiply to get multiplication should be 24 and addition and subtraction should be 10. Addition or subtraction must be 10.
Yes. So
24. So did you think the table of 24 is a multiple? So in which tables 24 comes? One by one you think?
okay.
You will check with some numbers. Maybe in 2, maybe in 3, maybe in 4, maybe in 6. In any table it can come.
2.
2. Okay, 2 12s?
2 and 12, yeah.
Yeah, like this you do.
Can you explain this question? I can't get it right.
Okay, Mahin, I'm solving this question for you over here. Now see how I will solve. So I will write 3x square minus 10x plus 8 equal to 0. 3x square minus 2x plus 10x minus 2x plus 12x plus 8 equal to 0. Got it? Because no, I did mistake in sign. I should write minus over here and plus over here. So I will get now minus 10. It's very important, managing the sign. Now, so if I take this one and this one, I take this from here, I take x is a common. So 3x plus 2. I get this one 3x plus 2. Got it?
Yeah.
And from here, what is the common from these two? If I take 4 is a common, maximum 4 is a common. 4 is a common. 4 is a common. So I get here 3x minus 2. But the problem is over here in this question. You highlighted why you stuck over here. Because you saw that these two signs are different. Right?
Yeah.
So sometime this situation comes from here, your advanced learning is start. That if these two signs, because here process is okay. If you are taking negative sign as a common, so of course the internal sign will become negative. But this does not suit your theory. These should be same. Then you can proceed, otherwise you will stuck. So these are not suitable factor for this question. Every factor is not suitable. So I have to change the factors. For example, if I remove this one, if I change the factor, that is 8 3s are 24. So if I change 6 4s are, I can use this factor also. 6 4s are, right? Maybe due to this, it's satisfied, but because I need both positive. So 3x square minus 6x minus 4x. Now see, I am taking both are negative. Minus 6 minus 4 makes minus 10. And then plus 8. Due to these signs, I have to do this. This will comes with practice. And then from these two, I will take 3x is common. X minus 2. From here, minus 4 is common. Now x minus 2. Now you see the sign of the brackets are same. Now these are the correct factorization. So when things comes, then we learn. Orally we cannot. Now we did the practice and we did wrong, and now it is right and we will learn. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 2. Now here is 3x minus 4 equal to 0 and 3x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 over 3. So these are the two correct answers for this question. Got it?
Yeah.
Very good. Now I will write here one question, the similar question. You will think about that. Slowly I'm increasing your level. Slowly, very slowly, so that you will not feel any burden. So now question is x square minus 7x minus 120 equal to 0. Just try this.
Which two numbers would make 120?
Okay, sometime it's also a problem how to analyze which two numbers makes 120, and the difference of this must be 7. So for that, I just give you one more technique. So 120, if you don't know these things, so you start with division with 2. Make a factor tree. 2 60s are, okay? And then this one 2 30s are. And then this one 2 15s are, right? So now these three numbers make these. If I multiply these three numbers, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, and if I multiply it with 15, 8 multiplied by 15 is 120, right? And 15 minus 8 is 7. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reach at this point. If I still didn't reach, I start more break. 3 5s are like that.
Okay.
So like this we reach slowly. Now try 15 and 8.
I got it. So 8 and negative 15.
Okay.
I'll send you a picture.
Okay. Yes, 15 you take common 8. Yeah, now you are doing perfectly right. Very nice, Maheen. Now, the next you will do now. This you did with help. Now you will do without help. Inshallah. That is, you will write the question is 3p square minus 10p and plus 8 equal to 0. Just try this one. 3p square minus 10p plus 8. Just also 8 3s are 24. So balance the sign of the middle term.
I did it, but I'm not sure if it's correct. So, I'll send a picture.
Yeah, there is no harm in variable. If you do not use p, just use x, and with this variable you can do now, right? The factors are correct. Your factors were correct. Now you get.
Sir, I wanted to know how long each class will be.
Just 2 minutes more. Okay. Then I will write 2-3 questions, and those questions you will solve at home. Only 3-4 questions I will give you same kind, and then tomorrow I will teach you another method. Okay.
Okay.
I will not give you much more burden. Don't worry. But you will learn more.
Okay.
So I'm writing more questions for you. Q square plus 7q minus 60 equal to 0. This is first question. Second question is k square. You can make x also. K square minus 2k minus 63 equal to 0. Question number 3. Question number 3 is e square minus 16e plus 64 equal to 0. Yeah. And yeah, these 3 questions you will do. This is homework. And now you did this question. 8 3 is 24. 12 and 2 was okay. How you did you did like this. 3x square minus 12x plus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. So from first two you can take 3x is common, so x minus 4. From the second two you will take this is minus 10 plus this. No, it's not working. Minus 12 plus 2 is not working. Maybe I write the question wrong or what? No, its question is correct. So because last two is giving the sign is different. So 6 to the 12, 8 3 the 12, and 10 to the 10 and 2. 8 3 the 6 4 the 24. Yes, 6 and 4. Sorry, this also not suitable. So I have to write 6 and 4. 3x square plus 6x minus 6x minus 4x and plus 8 equal to 0. So 3x is common, x minus 2 minus 4 is common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 is one bracket and x minus 2 is in second bracket. Like this we done. Got it?
Yes.
Now this is your homework and question 1, question 2, question 3. And you can change the variable also. E, K and Q you can convert all in X, right? So we will meet tomorrow again at 3 o'clock. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.